Hello everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your bonus love read that I will be doing for all the signs out there. Topic of the reading is going to be love messages from your person. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, you really want to know what is it that this person really wants to say to you. This reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. I will be adding messages from your person plus oracle cards around the love life situation as well. So stay tuned and before I dive into the read, let me remind you it is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the signs and messages that resonates and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well in the description box. So yeah, let's see. This reading is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So let's see what is it that your person really wants you to know. They really want you to know with the Seven of Wands that they are being prepared to deal with the current situation that they are having right now in their love life or in their other areas of their life as well. So be patient with them. They are working towards something, and they are preparing themselves for something as well. Let's see more cards here. The Fool and Three of Swords. They really want you to know that they really want to break free from whatever that is stopping them right now from moving towards you, and they are looking forward so they could feel free enough to pursue this connection that they have with you. So there must be something that is happening in their life right now which they are busy with, and they are, maybe for some of you they might be busy doing preparation for something as well, be that in work, love, or home life situation. But they really want to break free from the current situation because this is not something with what they like having right now. Let's see more cards here. I feel like they really want you to know. It's more like their heart really wants to tell to you that they are being prepared by heavens for the love that they have to give and receive from you. Let's see more cards here. They might be trying to communicate to you through telepathic messages as well. I feel like they really want you to know that they are kind of getting prepared to come forward to start something beautiful with you. Last card, Eight of Cups. The way you guys pulled away is something which is definitely bothering them right now. They are not happy with the way situations happen between the two of you. They are feeling a pull towards you as well. So let's see the messages from your person. Let's see what else do they want you to know. Fishies, what is the message from your person? What is it that they want you to know? Let's see, what else do they want you to know? It was my fault, but I blamed you. So this person really believes for whatever happened between the two of you, it was their fault. But somehow they chose to blame you for whatever happened. And again, they're not happy with the way things are. They really want to reconcile with you. They really want to come forward, talk to you, talk about their feelings to you. I remember every detail of that day. So they remember every detail of that particular day when you last spoke to each other, maybe when you last met each other, and this person really miss you a lot. They do relive those moments with you in their mind as well. Let's see more cards here. You were the best thing in my life. So this person is really, really, really missing you. I feel like in for majority of you, you are in no communication with your person, or if even if you are communicating, maybe you have picked up a fight or an argument and you are not like on talking terms right now. So this person really missing you. I am not available. um, they might have said that to you with the in anger, and now they regret that. I feel like they are not happy. They really want you to know that. Let's take one last card. I feel you leaving me behind. Maybe they said that they are not available, and maybe you walked away from this person, and now they are feeling that maybe you are going to leave them, and they are feeling kind of left alone by you. So they are unhappy, definitely. Let's see what else do they want you to know. What else is their messages? I am yours forever and ever. So this person really believes that they are all yours, and wow. It doesn't matter, like guys are talking or not. This person really believes that ultimately you guys are going to come back together, and maybe that too very stronger than before. I don't want to wait longer, please be mine. So this person really is missing you, and they want a chance with you again. um let's see two more cards. I needed space, and they needed that space, and now they got it, and now they don't like it at all. It seems like that. I feel the love I desire with you and only you. So they might have, walked away from you, chose to move on from you, but then the kind of love, they might have tried that for themselves in the past, maybe. But I feel like, again, this person doesn't feel as desired as they feel desired with you. Um, and they love the way you love them because this is what they feel is right. Um, let's see, what else do they want you to know? What else are their messages? I don't know if I could meet your expectations. I feel like, your person is really unsure of being able to satisfy your needs in terms of time, in terms of emotional fulfillment. I feel like, your person really believes that they cannot meet your needs, maybe because they are not free enough to give you whatever you desire or whatever you ask for. So maybe this person has their own mental, physical, emotional blocks as well. I love you, but I love my family too. For some of you, maybe they are so connected with their family that they somehow find themselves to be stuck in a situation where they cannot break free from. And maybe they find it very hard to come towards you because of their family restrictions or family responsibilities as well, which could be the blocking thing here and there in this connection. So yeah, let's see what are the oracle messages for you. Queen of Hearts, loved. The feminine in this connection is definitely loved by heavens. Angel numbers 111, 999 could be a significant sign that you are on the right path with your person, or in the given circumstances. Air signs, for some of you could be dealing with an air sign as well. So let's see. God will lead the way. So just try to have patience and everything is going to be worked out well between the two of you. January to June could have been a significant time frame for you. You are lovable and you have to start believing in that as well. It's time to take oracle cards now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. Deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. Now it can be you, it can be them. If they have been pretending not being in love with you, I feel like they are going to be getting ready to take that mask off, where they were trying to hide behind behind other stuff and hiding their true emotions from you. They will be kind of opening that up to you. But it seems like let's take one clarifier for this, just to reconfirm if there is any third party situation involved here, which could be the reason, which could be one of the lies or something that this person is hiding about from you. Let's see, is it a third party situation or is it something else? Clarify the deception card for my fishies. It's more of a mental, physical, emotional blocks. Eight of Swords. This person really is unable to see, feel their true feelings for you. They tend to hide their true feelings from themselves even. So how would they express it to you? So your person is somebody who's very fearful of commitment and stuff like that, because they tend to hide it. They tend to hide their actual feelings for you there. So yeah, this pretty much it comes up for my fishies for this read. If it helped you, to like, share and subscribe, and if you're willing to purchase any of the services that I offer, check the description box for that. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care, bye.